the update to the disaster that happened with Jelly Bean and Betsy when I was awoken from my sleep and they had trashed the aviary completely by somehow completely dismantling all of the forks in here. Jelly Bean, after I've installed a new fork, has taken to eating it, which is normal for koalas. And you now have Betsy, who's decided to come in also and investigate the new fork. So, yeah, this was my lovely peaceful sleep that sometimes koala joeys do. They right up to jumping across. As you can see, we've got some movement happening here. But they do jump up and down and they're very active at night. Jelly Bean's playing at the moment. And now she's calmed down. But yeah, this is the life of a koala carer. And you've got Betsy just up here. Jelly Bean's very active at the moment. There you go. Very active and very mischievous at the moment. So, interrupting my sleep. And just look at her go here. And then you've got little Betsy, and she's actually come all the way over here. She's cute. Hello, Betsy. Hello, cutie. Hello, gorgeous girl. Hello. I wasn't expecting to see you tonight, but there was a big accident that happened in here, wasn't there? And here you've got Jelly Bean, the mischievous. Here she is. I'm really hoping... Oh my goodness, Jelly Bean. Goodness me. What are you doing? Oh my goodness me. I'm going to have no fork left in the morning if you keep eating it like this. You're sharpening your teeth up. She's got all... Oh, goodness me. She's got all wood. Jelly Bean. Let's take this out. Big piece of wood. Goodness me. Seriously, Jelly Bean. Oh my goodness, look at all the mess she's got here. Goodness me. Look at this mess you've made. Yes, you've made this big mess here, Jelly Bean. Oh, she's up to no good today. You get to and eat that leaf. Cheeky thing. I don't know what she's doing, but look at all this mess here. Jelly Bean. She's really loving this fork. She's very mischievous. And then you've got Betsy here, who's just a darling. Look at her. Well, I'm hoping that... Oh my goodness me. Too many calamities don't actually happen during the night. Silly girl. Sharpening your teeth up. Jelly Bean. And this is the sweet and innocent Betsy. She's beautiful. Have a lovely night, everyone. I'm really hoping that I will be able to sleep. I'll have to do some renovations in here in the morning, but just thought you might like to hear the calamity, etc., that went on at 11 o'clock at night. Yeah, it was a massive crash. I was asleep and all I could hear was bang, crash. And I came in to see the mess that these two had created, and they were all completely saturated with all of their leaf pots completely emptied. It was a mess. Anyhow, night everyone. Hope you've enjoyed that.